here over at Caldy's Coffee at our roasting headquarters. We've been doing a lot of fun videos for everybody to do a coffee at home. So I'm going to do an iced clever dripper tutorial. So if you don't have cold brew at home, or if you need cold coffee in a pinch because it is a hot day, or you're just one of those people that likes cold coffee when it's really cold, this is for you. We're going to start off with getting our filter prepared. So I'm using today a number 4 Melita filter. So you're going to pull the bottom and the side just to make sure that it's securely in the clever dripper. And I've already weighed out 28 grams of coffee, and today we're using our Tanzania Masangula coffee. This is the first time we've actually had this, so we're really excited to share it with you. And I already have my water preheated, so we're gonna give this just a little rinse to make sure that there's no papery taste in our final brew. And we'll get all that water out. As that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and grind that 28 grams of coffee. And I would be lying if I said this wasn't the best part, because this is my favorite part of the whole process, is just smelling your coffee right after you ground it. I'm gonna tear the scale so that we're at 0, so that we know that we have 28 exact grams. And give that a nice shake just to make sure that's even. And we're gonna start. So get your timer, use your phone, and we're gonna start the blooming process. So I'm only gonna pour about 50 grams of hot water. And your water at home should be 205 degrees. And start. So this is called the bloom. So we're just letting this degas a little bit. Gas is just leaving the coffee very rapidly. So we just wanna make sure that all that's gone, so that way when we pour our water on top, that it's a nice even extraction. So we're gonna hang out for about 45 seconds, and then we're gonna pour the rest of the water. So we're looking at a total weight of 300 grams. So it's super important to have a scale at home. You can buy a fancy scale, or you can buy like a $20 scale anywhere on the internet. We sell them at our cafes as well. So we're coming up on 45 seconds, so get your kettles ready. So you're gonna pour in small circles, but just making sure that you get everything saturated. And if you've noticed a part in your brew where it's just a little dark, go ahead and make sure to hit that side up too. So it should all look like this nice, creamy pale color. All right, coming up on 300 grams. And this part should only take about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And there we go. So we're gonna let that steep just for a little bit, and then around 2 minutes and 30 seconds, we're gonna lift this guy up and we're gonna put it on our ice. So I've already measured out 150 grams of ice. And the whole process should take about 3 minutes to you start your brew to when you finish and you need to enjoy it. So we're waiting for the best part. All right, so we are coming up on that 2:30 mark. So you just want to make sure you get ready and lift it on over here. So that'll just take a little bit of time for the whole amount of water that you've poured to go into the final brew. So while you're waiting, go ahead and get your cups. Put some ice in them so that we can enjoy it. All right, so we're coming up on our 3-minute mark. What's cool about the filter and the coffee is that you can take this off and set it to the side, and you can throw it in your garden if you want and use it as compost. And if you notice that your coffee is coming out, maybe it's taking a long time, well then go ahead and portion up your grind just a little bit. But if you notice that it's coming up really quick, go ahead and fine up your grind. All right, so we're good here. Give it a nice swirl and serve. So yeah, this whole process took about 5 minutes, and it's such an easy way to make coffee at home so you can enjoy cold coffee. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much. See you later.